Hi, I'm Stephanie Vara, organizer chick from Houston, Texas. Today we're going to give you a few tips on how to organize your laundry. Boo! Everybody hates doing laundry, but hopefully these tips will make it fast and easy for you. First of all, you're going to do some sorting. You're going to make a couple different colored piles. First pile you're going to do is maybe a pile of all your denims and your dark clothes. The second pile you're going to do is all of your bright clothes, which is your reds, your pinks, and your yellows. The third pile you're going to do is all of your whites, anything that's white, bright whites. And your fourth pile is going to be your delicates, which is your bras, your underwear, anything underneath the clothes, which you're not going to get a view of any of mine today, sorry. So after you finish sorting by color, you're going to think about water temperature. Your colors and your dark denims are normally going to be done in cold. Your whites and delicates would normally be done in hot water, but take a look at the tag because a lot of whites are different and you don't want any type of shrinking or anything to get messed up. Also, take a look at your sorting. You want to make sure that the reds are in the reds and none of them sneak up in the whites, because then you'll end up with pink and that sucks. You don't want to end up with another discolored shirt. So if you don't want to take this, if you don't want this in your bathroom or in your laundry room, you can go to the store and you can get separate bins that it can help you sort during the day or when you get home from work. That way you're already ahead of the game. You can take off your shirt and throw it in the specific colored pile. This also helps for you college kids who just started off doing your own laundry, or those bachelors who just can't seem to get it together. These bins will already keep you ahead of the game and keep your sorting at easy. So you can throw in a load before you go to work, you can put it to dry when you get home, and it just makes laundry easier and quick. So if you don't want laundry to be a chore, think about these steps and you'll get there fast and easy.